Windmill was built in 1607, and it was built in 1607 as a water pumping mill, and that's the mill upstairs. And since 1672 this one is an oil mill. Now I can make oil from seeds or nuts, and sometimes I make linseed oil, and that oil is used to make paint. But what we have most of the time, there are peanuts. Now, it starts under the stones with grinding the peanuts for about 20 minutes, and after 20 minutes I have something that I look at. Yeah, this is okay, this is okay. Yeah, yeah? Okay. This here, and when the scraper falls by, then it just drops there. So what you see here on the floor, that's this, and this is the product from the stones. Now, then this is the second part, and that's heating. So what I do, I put one bucket with a product of the stones, that's about 10 kilo, on the stove, and then here we make it warm till 60 degrees, and we make it warm. Yeah, that makes the oil a little bit more fluid, and I can press more oil with it. Now, when I make it warm, then this one is turning around, and that's to keep it from burning. So when the peanut flour is warm enough, and it takes about 5-6 minutes, now then I put it in 2 of those bags. Now the bags, they are hanging on this side of the stove. So when it's warm enough, I lift this up, and then I can pull this ring, and then it drops into the 2 bags. See, there's no bottom. Now then each bag is about 5 kilo. Now, and then the bags are going into the oil press. That's this machine. Now, what you see here, this bag is pressed out already. This one is from 10-15 minutes ago. It's still a bit more.
Yeah, smells good.
Smells it good?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's me. At the end of the day. Yeah? Okay. Now, what I do, I place the new bag into a filter, and the inside of the filter is made of rope, and the outside is leather. Now, one bag here on the left side, so standing up, and the other one here on the right side. Now, in this one, that's a kind of hammer, 150 kilo beechwood. The hammer is lifted up by a turning camshaft at the first floor. Then he falls down by his own weight, and what he do, he drives in this wedge like this, so that means how deeper the wedge comes, the more sideways pressure you get. Now that takes about 100 hits, that's with this speed about 15 minutes, and then I have from the 2 bags 3 liters of oil. And peanut oil is used for salad oil and cooking oil, and you can see that on the other side the oil press. Now, and this is what's left over after pressing, and that's a hard compressed cake. And that's for feeding the cows and horses in the winter time. So what I made here when there is winter, because it's only driven by the wind. That's oil and cattle food. Now, what I do here in 1 year, because I do this really for my work, that's about 6,000 liters of oil. Now, they do that in a modern oil factory in 10 minutes or less. Now, I can do this for my job, and it's possible, because we have here a lot of goods, and on the other side, I can also park my salary from oil factories from this area, because they want to keep this going, because they start with 1600 bills like this. If you understand the little yeah? Okay. Now you're a little bit lucky because by this mill you can also have look upstairs, but when you go upstairs, please be careful. And when you come down, please with your face to the left. That's the same way to come down. Yeah? So if you want to go upstairs, be careful.
She said turn around to face the ladder.